Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn two functions in less than 5 minutes. This functions is going to automate your entire data analysis project. Let's see what it looks like. So here I have opened a sales data. Okay. So this is how the data looks like. So all the columns are here. You can see by shipment mode wise how many sales, how many orders have we received. All that information is present in this data. Now what I want to do is I want to create a report by writing some function. So what I am going to do now is I'll go ahead and open this sheet, and the first function you're going to learn is group by. This is one of the most beautiful function introduced recently by Microsoft. What this function will do, let's look at it. First I'll type is equal to group by. Okay, on which particular row or which particular field do you want to create this function? So we'll go to this sheet, and here I'm going to select this particular column, shipment mode. Okay, so here I'm selecting second row. Okay, we should not select the column header, we have to select the data is present from here. So select from top till bottom. Okay, then comma, on which particular measure we need to calculate this report. So I want to find out what is the total sales. Where is total sales? Total sales is present in this column R. From the second row till bottom I have selected this column. Okay, once it is done, then we'll give comma. How do you want to create this report? You want to calculate sales, right? What function? We will use sum will calculate by adding all the numbers, so we'll use sum function here. Once it is done, simply close the bracket. Now the magic happens. The moment I press enter, you can see that report is ready. The report is ready. So which means without creating any pivot tables, your report is ready. Now what happens is, without any manual changes, your report will always show the updated numbers, which means any changes happens to this particular data, your numbers will automatically change over here. Okay, so now for example, I'll say there is nothing called first class. I'll go and modify this. So I'll go to the sheet, and what I will do is, instead of first class, I'll use Control F to find the data. Wherever it is first class, make it as super delivery. Okay, so I'm modifying the data. Let's see what will happen to our formula. So I'll modify this. Data has been modified. Now when you go back, see here, automatically it has taken super delivery. Whereas if you create pivot tables, you have to again manually refresh, but with this formula you don't have to refresh. Automatically this will get updated. Okay, I hope you like this function. If you have any doubts, please comment down and ask if you have any doubts. Okay, now this is about the group by function, and what it does, it is going to create report only on one column. If you want to create report on multiple columns, right, like pivot table, we have multiple columns, what do we need to do? That's when we are now learning the second function. The second function is equal to pivot by. Okay, same thing, it is asking on which particular field you want to put it in row. So we'll go here. This time what I'm going to choose is, I will select this particular column, subcategory. Okay, so same second row, top to bottom. I have selected this is my row, comma, which is the column. Let's say column, I want this shipment mode. Okay, so we'll go and select shipment mode from top to bottom, and then we'll give comma. On which particular value you want to create this report? Last time you remember we used sales column. This time also we are going to use sales column. Make sure you select the data from second row, so top to bottom. Okay, now I have selected everything. Last option is, which function do we need to use? We need to use sum function because we want to calculate total sales. So I'll go ahead and click on sum, and the moment I close the bracket, you will see a magic happening now. The moment I close it, see the report has been ready. Automatically it has created pivot tables kind of a report. What is the another benefit? So the another benefit is, you can go ahead and apply conditional formatting. So let's see what is conditional formatting. I'm going to select this entire data. I'll go to conditional formatting, and here I will select color scales. See, automatically what it has done, it has applied color combinations. Wherever the value is less, it is showing in red. Wherever the value is high, it will show it in green. Okay, I hope you like the two new functions. I hope you will use these functions. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment. I also provide classes on data analytics. Okay, so what do I teach? I teach advanced Excel, basic till advanced practical session. I also teach SQL. I also teach Power BI. I also teach Tableau. So in case if you are interested, please reach out to my contact number, which I have mentioned it here. I'll also put in the description of the video, and if you are interested, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.